Hello everyone, my name's Laura and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video, I'm going to bring you the best CVS deals for this week from March 15th to March 21st. So if you're brave enough to go outside with this corona stuff going on, definitely keep watching because there are some great deals this week. I got 16 deals for you, which are either going to be free, money makers, or under $1 per item. So if you're one of those brave people that's going to go out there for these deals this week, definitely keep watching because these are deals you don't want to pass up. And before I share these deals, be sure to give me a like down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And just a heads up, I'm not going to be presenting these deals in any order whatsoever, it's completely random. So yeah, let's get into it. The first deal on our list is for the Rimmel Cosmetics, and this is an unadvertised deal, just meaning that it's not listed in the weekly circular or the weekly ad. And this week they are on a promotion for if you spend $12, you get an $8 extra buck. So if you pick up one of their brow pencils priced at $4.59 and two of their 1000 Kiss lip liners priced at $4.59, your subtotal will be $13.77. But on coupons.com, there are some Rimmel coupons available, so you will want to print two of the $2 off Rimmel lips and one of the $2 off Rimmel eyes. With these coupons, this will bring your subtotal down to $7.77, but remember, you're going to be getting an $8 extra buck reward, making the final cost free, plus a 33-cent moneymaker. And just a savvy tip, if you guys have a $3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, include this in with the deal, and you'll have a $3.33 moneymaker. Our next deal is going to be on some candy. So the Hershey singles are on a promotion for buy two and you get a $1 extra buck. And they're also on sale for $1 each. So if you pick up two of these and use the $1 CRT, which printed for everybody last week from the Redbox machine, your subtotal will be $1, but you'll get $1 back in extra bucks, making your final cost completely free. Now we're going to look at the Nexxus hair care deal. And these are on a promotion where if you spend $20, you get a $10 extra buck. So for this deal, you are going to need an insert coupon, and it is the $5 off of any Nexxus hair care product, which can be found in the March 15th Smart Source. And you are going to need two of these. Now for the products you're going to want to pick up, you're going to want to pick up any two Nexxus products, which are priced at $11.99 each. I have two of them pictured here. And once you pick up two of those, your subtotal will be $23.98. But you're going to want to use two of those $5 off coupons from our March 15 Smart Source and a $4 off of 18 hair care CRT. This will bring your total out of pocket to $9.98, but you're going to get a $10 extra buck back. So if you roll a $10 extra buck into this transaction, your final cost will be completely free. This next deal is going to be on the Maybelline Eyeshadows, and these are on a promotion where if you buy two, you get a $7 extra buck. And at my store, these are priced at $3.89 each, so if you pick up two, this will bring your total to $7.78. Now there was a $1 off printable coupon on coupons.com, but this is no longer available. But if you do have this, use two of these along with a $3 off CRT, which is printing for everybody from the Redbox machine starting Sunday, March 15th. With these three coupons, your subtotal will be $2.78, but you're going to be getting back a $7 extra buck, making your final cost free, plus a $4.22 moneymaker. And if you guys don't have those $1 printable coupons, don't worry, this deal is still going to be free and a moneymaker. Just check out this breakdown here where I show you if you only use that $3 off CRT, which is printing for everybody this Sunday, your subtotal will be $4.78 and you will still get that $7 extra buck, making your final cost free and a $2.22 moneymaker. So this is a deal everybody should be doing. The POPARAZZI nail polish is also an unadvertised deal for buy two and get a $4 extra buck. And these are also on sale, two for $5. So go ahead and pick up two of these. And now I know a lot of people were also getting a $1 off POPARAZZI nail polish CRT. So if you have this, definitely use this and your subtotal will be $4 and you'll also be getting back a $4 extra buck, making these two nail polishes completely free. And if you don't have that $1 POPARAZZI CRT, this is still a great deal which you can do. Just by buying two for $5 and getting back a $4 extra buck, this will make your final cost $1 or 50 cents each. This next deal is on the Colgate Mouthwash, and these are on a promotion where if you buy one, you get a $1 extra buck. So go ahead and pick up one mouthwash on sale for $3.99, and you're going to want to use a $1 off of any mouthwash CRT and a $1 off internet printable coupon available at coupons.com. With these two coupons, your subtotal will be $1.99, but you'll get back $1 extra buck, making the final cost for this mouthwash just 99 cents. And for anybody who has a $2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, you guys can pick up 2 of the Colgate mouthwashes. This will bring your subtotal to $7.98, and then you're going to want to use 2 of the Colgate mouthwash coupons from the Smart Source on March 15th. And this will bring your subtotal to $1.98, but you'll be getting back that $2 extra buck, making your final cost completely free. Now another great deal on some oral care is the Crest Scope and Oral-B. These are on sale for $3, and if you buy 2, you get a $3 extra buck. So go ahead and pick up either 2 of the Scope toothpaste, 2 of the Scope mouthwashes, or 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. Whichever ones you pick up, they're all going to be priced at $3 each. So it'll be $6 for 2, and there's also a $3 off of 2 digital available in the CVS app. With this digital coupon, your out-of-pocket subtotal will be $3, but you'll be getting back a $3 extra buck, making the final cost completely free. And if you guys are leaning towards picking up 2 of the Scope mouthwashes and you have a $2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, definitely jump on this deal because you'll be getting them for free and a $3 moneymaker. The way this works is they're each priced at $3, making them 2 for $6, and we have a $3 off of 2 digital available and your $2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, making your subtotal $0, and you'll still be getting back that $3 extra buck, making your final cost completely free and a $3 moneymaker. So the Nivea lotion this week is on a promotion for buy 2 and get a $5 extra buck. So you can pick up 2 of these Nivea lotions, the 8.4 ounce, and they're priced at $5.49 each, making your subtotal $10.98. Now there was a $2 off internet printable coupon on coupons.com, but this is no longer available. But just in case you do have these, you're going to want to use 2 of them, and this will bring your subtotal to $6.98, but you'll be getting that $5 extra buck, making your final cost $1.98 or just 99 cents each. And if you don't have those internet printable coupons, but you do have access to insert coupons, there is a $4 off of 2 Nivea lotion coupon in the Smart Source from March 8th. Another little tip for this deal is that if you have a lotion CRT, definitely go ahead and add this in with your deal, and you'll get these 2 lotions for free and potentially even a moneymaker. Another Nivea product on sale this week is the Nivea Serum Body Wash. These are on a promotion for buy 1 and get a $2 extra buck. So go ahead and pick up one of these body washes, which are priced at $7.99 each. And you may have a $2 off of Nivea Body Wash CRT and a $3 off of Nivea Body Wash CRT. I did happen to have both of these. So with both of these coupons, your subtotal will be $2.99, but you'll be getting back a $2 extra buck, making the final cost for one of these just 99 cents. And if you do have insert coupons with you, check out your Smart Source from March 8th because there is a $1 off of Nivea Body Wash. So if you have that, throw that in with this deal and you'll pick up your body wash for completely free. Now let's look at this Covergirl deal because they're on a promotion this week for buy 2 and get a $6 extra buck. So if you were to pick up 2 of the Covergirl brow pencils, which are priced at $5.99 each, this will bring your subtotal to $11.99, but there's also a $3 off internet printable coupon, which was available at coupons.com, but unfortunately this is no longer available, so hopefully you still have 2 of these, and if you do, use these with your transaction, and this will bring your subtotal to $5.98, but you'll get back a $6 extra buck, making this completely free. And if you guys have a $3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT, you can use that along with this deal and you'll get these 2 eyebrow pencils for free plus a $3 moneymaker. So the Speedstick deodorants this week are on a promotion for buy 1 and you get a $1.50 extra buck. So for this deal, you are going to want to pick up 2 of them and they are priced at $2.99 each. And there's also a 50-cent off printable coupon available at speedstick.com. Along with these 2 printable coupons, you are going to want to use a $1 off of any deodorant CRT. Now this will bring your subtotal to $3.98, but you'll be getting back $3 in extra bucks, making the final cost just 98 cents or 49 cents each. So a great price for some deodorant. Now we're almost done, guys, but I just have a few more deals to show you. So this deal is a really great deal. I actually did this myself, and this is on the Schick disposable razors. These are on a promotion for buy 3 and get a $5 extra buck. So go ahead and pick up any 3 of the disposable razors, which are priced at $6.99 each, and use 2 of the $4 off internet printable coupons from coupons.com, and one of the digital coupons available in your CVS app. Hopefully you have a $5 off of 20 CRT. If you do, this will bring your subtotal down to $3.98, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost free and a $1 moneymaker. This next deal is going to be on the Dentine gum, which are on a promotion for buy one and get a $1 extra buck. And these are also on sale, 3 for $4. So pick up 3 of these and go ahead and use your $1 off of any 3 Dentine gum CRTs. This will bring your subtotal to $3, but you'll be getting back a $1 extra buck, making the final cost just $2 or 67 cents per pack. Now, if anybody needs some laundry products, the Downey fabric softener are all on sale for $2.94, and there's a $1 off digital coupon and a $1 off app-only coupon, making the final cost just 94 cents. Now, we do have a deal on the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner this week. They are on sale 2 for $10, and there's a $3 off instant saving coupon printing for everybody from the Redbox machine starting this Sunday, March 15th. Along with this CRT, there's also a $3 off of 2 digital, and hopefully you have a $2.50 off of 10 Tresemme CRT. With all of these coupons, this will bring your final cost to just $1.50 or 75 cents each for these huge bottles of shampoo and conditioner. Now, the last deal I have to share with you guys is on the Little Remedies saline. These are on sale for $4.99, and if you buy one, you get a $4 extra buck. So simple as that, that makes the final cost just 99 cents. I told you we had a lot of CVS deals this week. Now let me know what your favorite deal was down below. Mine was actually this Nivea body wash. I was able to pick it up for 99 cents. I did have that insert coupon for $1 off, but I left it at home and I didn't want to come back out to the store a second time, so I just picked this up for 99 cents and I'm really excited to try it out. Let me know what your favorite deal is down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.